Hello students, hope you all are fine. My name is Rupali, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to start next from 6th sum. From 7th sum we are going to start. Next is construct an angle of 60 degree. 7th sum we are going to start. Construct an angle of 60 degree and another angle of 45 degree, and then use these to construct an angle of 105 degree. So firstly, here you can see, firstly with your compass draw angle of 60 degree, then draw another angle of 45 degree, draw one angle of 60 degree and another angle of 45 degree. Now, if we will add these two angles 60 and 45, this will be 105. Now, how to add these two angles? Firstly, draw these two angles 60 and 45. Now, how to add these two angles? Firstly, draw a line here. This is AB. Now, here you drawn two angles of 60 and 90 with same radius. Now with same radius draw one arc here also. Draw one arc. Now this is angle of 60 degree. Now mark here up to 60 degree. Now this is your angle of 60 degree. Now we have to add 45 to make angle of 105. Now this is angle of 45. Now open your compass up to 45 like this. Now from 60 degree draw an arc of 45 degree also. Now this is 60 and this is 45. 60 plus 45, that is 105. Now this will be your angle of 105. Now this is angle of 105. Next is 8th sum. 8th sum. In 8th sum, firstly we have to draw angle of 60, draw a line segment AB 5.5 centimeter, draw a line segment AB 5.5 centimeter. Now at A draw angle of 60 degree, at A draw angle of 60 degree. And at B, draw angle of 45 degree. From 60 draw an arc. Now this is angle of 90 degree. Now bisect this angle 90 to make angle of 45. Now this is your angle of 45 degree. This is angle of 60 degree. Now these will meet at a point P. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from point P. From point P, draw an arc here. Like this. Now from these 2 points, from this point also, draw 2 arcs. These will meet at a point. Now pass a line from point P and this point of intersection of these arcs. Now this is the perpendicular. Here you can see clearly. Firstly, draw angle of 60 degree, then 45 degree. These will meet at a point P. From this point P, draw an arc here, and from these 2 points, draw 2 arcs here. Where these 2 arcs will meet, pass a line. This is the required perpendicular. Next is see ninth sum. Ninth sum also. Now, in ninth sum, draw a line segment AB 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB 6 centimeter. Now, next, what we have to do? Construct a line parallel to this line AB through a point P below AB. Now, take a point P below AB. Now, take a point Q on AB also. Now, meet these 2 points P and Q. Now, meet these 2 points P and Q. Draw one arc from point Q. Draw one arc from this point Q here. Now draw another arc from point P also. Now from this point, open your compass up to this point. Now from this point, draw one arc here. Now pass a line from point P and from the point of intersection of these 2 arcs, like this. This is the line parallel to AB. Next is 10th sum. How to subtract 2 angles. First is 80 degree, second is 48 degree. Now use these angles to construct an angle of 32 degree. 80 minus 48 is 32. Now here you can see, firstly draw angle of 80 degree, then draw angle of 48 degree. Firstly draw arc of 80 degree, then draw angle of 48 degree with your protractor, not with compass. Now from here, keep your compass here and draw one arc here. Now draw one arc here and keep your compass here and draw one arc here also. Now with same radius, draw a line here first, and with same radius, draw an arc here also. Draw an arc here also. Now open your compass firstly up to this 80 degree. Open your compass up to, place your compass like this here and open up to 80 degree. Now place your compass here and make arc of 80 degree. Now we have to subtract 80 and 48. Now from 80 degree we will draw arc of 48 here. Now measure this angle 48 also, like this. This is 48. Now from 80 degree draw one arc of 48 here. Now this will be, the remaining angle will be of 32 degree. Next is 11th sum. Draw a line segment 6.6 centimeter and take a point A on PQ such that QA is 3 centimeter. Firstly draw a line segment PQ 6.6. Take a point A such that distance of Q to A is 3 centimeter. On A we have to draw an angle of 90 degree with your set square. Now take this one set square. This is angle of 90 degree. This is 45. this is 45. This is 60. So firstly, this is angle of 90 degree. Place your set square here like this. Now this is angle of 90 degree. Above this line and on point A, place your compass here and mark one point here. Mark one point here. Now meet this point to A. This is your required perpendicular. Next, last sum is 12th. Draw a line segment 5.8 centimeter. Construct LAB and MBA is equal to 45 degree at the endpoints. Extend these lines to meet at point P and construct a line PQ parallel to AB. Now firstly, draw a line segment AB 5.8 centimeter. Now draw two angles 45 degree and 45 degree on A and B. Draw angle of 45 on A and on B also. Firstly draw angle of 90 degree and then bisect this angle. This will be the angle of 45 degree. Now draw angle of 45 at A and angle of 45 at B. Now these two lines will meet at point P. Now from point P we have to draw a line parallel to AB. Now firstly, draw an arc. From this we discussed in question number 9th also, that how to draw a line parallel to a line. From point, this is point P, take a point Q on line AB, meet PQ. Now from point Q, draw an arc here. Now from point P also, draw arc here also. Now open your compass from point Q, from this point, open your compass up to this point. Now place your compass here and draw one arc here also. Now pass a line from point P and from the point of intersection of these two arcs, this will be the line parallel to AB. Now this is the required figure. So your homework is to complete this exercise 4th, and you have to try to solve 6th sum of revision exercise. This is also in your syllabus. 6th sum of revision exercise also. Thank you.